How to set up Luma key, PIP, and split on the Datavideo SE-500HD. To set up PIP and split, go into the menu, then go to PIP/split. First, choose your PIP source, and then choose your split screen source. When you're done picking sources, press the menu button to back out of the menu. Now you're ready to take your effects live. To take the effects live, you have to set up for the PIP/split keying function. You can either choose to have your key setting to be split or PIP. To enable split, press the split button so it lights up, and then press the program button under the PIP/split control. On split, the input that is selected on the program bus will be on the left side of the screen, and the right side will be your split screen source. If you'd like to have a PIP on program, make sure you have deselected split and that the split light is off when you press the program button. If you'd like to switch between split and PIP live, you could press the split button and the key will switch to PIP or vice versa. To turn off split and/or PIP, press the program button. You can also use the preview button to have the switcher take your effect to program on your next transition. To set up Luma key, press the menu button and select Luma key. Under Luma key source, select the input which has your graphics ready for Luma key. In this tutorial, it is input 4. You can key out black or white. The tablet that I am using for graphics has a black background, so we will choose black to key out. When you are done setting up for Luma key, press the menu button to back out. To take your Luma key effect live, press preview under Luma key control, then make a transition to take it to program. Use the cleanup level to adjust if your key is not clean, and use the transparency option to stylize and change the opacity of your Luma key graphics on screen. For more tutorials and helpful articles on the SE-500HD, check out the links in the description of this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media for more tutorials and exciting new announcements from Datavideo. Thanks for watching.